Hi, I'm Steven, the Ramblin' Phoenix, and I know a little bit about a lot, so let's get into it. You said that wrong. That was bad grammar. You don't speak good. Well, that depends on whether you take the view of a linguist or of a grammarian. A grammarian is much more interested in whether you've put things together in the most conventional way that is standard and proper. A linguist is more interested in knowing, did communication take place? Because something that is non-standard, but still gave communication, is still language. Here's a good example. There's a joke I heard that you can turn any noun into a verb in English, and it still kind of makes sense. I ended up looking up some examples because I couldn't come up with any of my own, but some that actually became part of our nomenclature. Why don't you friend me on Facebook? Because it was really send me a friend request. No, friend me. Why don't you just Google that instead of using Google? And those are now new words being added into our lexicon and are being added into the dictionary. Things that can be non-standard can be added, and language can evolve. So, if you don't speak good, well, you might not be not speaking not bad not. What you might be doing is speaking in an unconventional manner in which what doing speaking is just not being what people say standardly. But if communication done so, no issue had, for we talked and understood by was. Yep.